we're back. Welcome to our channel. So today is our anniversary, 1 year, and today we are at the Biltmore. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful out here. We love it. This is it. It's so beautiful out here. We're gonna go check it out in about an hour. We're walking around and trying to take some pictures and some videos and stuff. So we'll take you guys on the inside with us. Bye. Hey guys, so we are halfway through our tour and it is amazing on the inside. We're definitely going to show you some footage of all the rooms that they have in here, and yeah, some of the stuff look actually weird, but I ain't gonna say nothing, but you know what I mean. But yeah, the Biltmore house is awesome and it's beautiful. Yeah, so this is the outside view of the, what you call this?
That's how we saw it in the 1890s.
In the 1890s. So we are enjoying it so far. Halfway through our tour. We will see you inside. Bye.
Then we got,
Play it again.
We got Dr. Seuss, one fish, two fish. Then we got Saw.
I want to play a game.
I want to play a game.
Also a blueberry fudge cheesecake. Yes, ma'am. The green one is nice too.
Hey, look at this. Whoa, this thing's too big.
You look like Mr. Vanderbilt himself. Oh, is she coming? Store. I think this is the woman's hat. Yeah, this one. Doesn't fit my big head. People are coming from her. Put these people hat back before they come in.
We're tweeting.
Yeah. The red. We did.
We did. Thank you.
No, this one's good. You gotta try it.
Yeah, I know.
This one's good.
Is that right?
Yes.
It looks like cough medicine.
No.
How you doing? This is Vicks.
Don't drink the whole thing.
It's cough medicine.
It's not nasty.
It's cough medicine. Damn, good question. These are all here, right? See? Yes. That's not good.
No, it went down my throat.
Chardonnay. Please.
It went back.
Yeah, that's why he made that face.
No, it went down without me actually like swallowing it first. So we look like we're at the back of the house, and it is so gorgeous out here. Oh my gosh, honey. This video is not doing that view justice. It's so nice down here. Yes. Yep. Just walking around, looking at the beautiful scenery and landscape of the house right now. So, yeah. It's so nice. It is so nice. I feel like we should be seeing some dinosaurs run out here. Like, I feel like this is a whole scene of Jurassic Parks right now. What y'all think? It's amazing. It's amazing. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk? All right, sorry. Yes, you are, honey. Oh my gosh.
All these bees.
Such a beautiful garden. We are back at the car, honey, because we end up on a whole hiking trail. I am sweating. It is like 200 degrees out here. And yeah, but I'm happy we are back in the car. But that was so much fun. So beautiful. And yeah, hopefully we get to come back again when we're like, what, 80 and 90 years old? We gonna come back when we're like on our 50th anniversary. We'll do a first anniversary and 50th anniversary. I think that'll be nice.